Well, hello everyone. Um, I know it has been a long time since I've done one of these fix-it videos, but I wanted to show you something where I had to replace one of the pull cords on my lawnmowers. I just bought this old lawnmower because my one that I normally use, the pull cord, no, not pull cord, but it started to blow blue smoke, and I'll get to that later. So I bought a relatively cheap mower, and pull cord had to be replaced, and I didn't feel like pulling the cover, so I did a hack. So let me show you what that hack is, and if you have anything close, maybe you could do the same. That would be up to you, but let me just show you what I did. Okay, so hold on, and we'll get there. So here's what I actually did, because as I said, and I didn't feel like pulling the whole mower apart and doing this anyway. So I thought about it, and I said, you know what, I could do this hack here. And you see that this recoil spring thing here is riveted onto the cover itself. And I didn't want to drill it out. I guess I could have pulled the cover off, but I didn't want to do that. So what I actually did is, that's some oil here. I just oiled up the cord, the pull cord. But what I actually did here is, you see these little grill things? I snipped one off with a tin snip, bent the sharp edges over so it wouldn't catch the rope on the inside. And then I cut the old one off. I pulled the knot through this way, cut it off, and pulled the rope off. And then I put the new one through and put the new knot there on it. And as you see, it will fit right in. And let me just push that down. Fits right in there. And I have these. And what I did was I pulled the whole thing. I pulled the cord all the way out, the old cord, and then I put this screwdriver in to hold it there. And this hole where you insert the cord lines up right in for the inner one, the inner pulley there, wheel that the cord spins onto. And then I just pulled it out through with a needle nose pliers, as you see here. And then I tied the knot and pulled it back out. And it took me maybe 10-15 minutes at the most. And so it's hard to do it with holding the phone here, but I'll pull this out, and then the cord just winds up as so, and with no problem at all. And so that job is done. And as you see, I got the new handle on. I really didn't have to cut the cord at all, it just winds right up. And what an easy way. This is probably the easiest time I had putting a pull cord back on a mower or some other type of small engine. And then you just have this out here. So, you know, big deal. And if your engine and your mower's not under warranty, you don't have to worry about it. So there it is. It's my hack. Use it if you can, and enjoy. Okay, have a good one.